Hi my beauties, and welcome back to another video, or welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a colorful eyeshadow. You know, with all of this going on, I just feel like we need to bring our inner happy spirit out. We need to be careful, we need to stay safe, we need to wash our hands. We just basically honestly need to pray and pray that this whole coronavirus, we find a cure for it, because it's affecting everyone. I feel like this is affecting especially the people who are low income and the people who live like checks to checks. Like, a lot of people are not working, and you know, that just sucks. It sucks that it has to come to this. This year has just not been the year we expected. 2020 really has kicked us right away from the start. Don't lose hope. Stay positive. Don't let this affect you. Try not to be on your phone as much, because I feel like you being on your phone, everything is just about the coronavirus. Like, the media is a big part of this. I just feel like the media is really not helping. It's just literally showing us the bad side of it. They're not really showing us the good side of it and the positive side of it, that people are actually getting cured. I just hope you guys stay positive throughout this. I hope that you guys learn how to save your money. Like, I feel like that's another thing, because if you don't know how to manage money and you don't know how to save money, when things happen like this, you're gonna be struggling. I know how to manage my money really good, and I think I got that from my mom. She has always taught me that, you know, when you get a check, you shouldn't be spending it on stupid shit. You should always save and give yourself a budget to spend. So when times like these happen, you have resource, you know, you have money saved for like emergencies like this. So I hope you guys really look into that. I've been praying every day that I pray every day, you know, I pray every day. I feel like I talk to God a lot. Like, when I'm happy, when I'm sad, when I'm mad, I love to talk to God. Like, I talk to him and I just pray that, you know, this really gets under control so it can stop affecting a lot of people. Use this time to like clean your closet. Like, for example, I'm gonna be using this time to clean my makeup brushes, because I always put an excuse like, oh, I'm so busy, like I never have time to do that, but I'm just fucking lazy. So I do have clean brushes though. Like, I don't use my dirty brushes. Like, once like my brushes are really dirty, I put them aside. So I literally have like a section of dirty brushes and a section of clean brushes. So yeah, I don't use dirty brushes. And with that being said, you know, I wanted to do this eyeshadow, and I did use two palettes that I know a lot of people have. Just in case you guys have these palettes, try doing this makeup. It's really fun. I used the James Charles palette. So it has all the colors of the rainbow, so I really always wanted to do like a colorful eyeshadow. So yes, I used this palette. And then on my inner corner, I used the Daisy Marquez palette, and I know a lot of you guys have this palette as well. And I used the color Lucid on my inner corner. I didn't film my whole makeup because you guys have seen me done my face makeup a lot of times, and I just wanted to keep this video short and entertaining. So I was just like, you know what, I'm not gonna do my makeup full on camera, but I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. So yeah, you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's just get started. I already did one eye, and I have like purple, green, blue, and orange on top. So I'm gonna do the same eyeshadow on my other eye. To begin with, I'm gonna prime my eyelid using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. A little bit on there, and just blend it in with your fingers. Honestly, this look might look hard to do, but it was honestly super easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my little beauty blender. I have two beauty blenders that I use. I have this one that I use for my foundation, and then I have this dry one that I use to like bake. So I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm just gonna set the concealer that we applied on our eyelid. Oh, I'm using the James Charles palette. I know a lot of you guys have this palette, so if you guys want to follow along, go for it, girl. I'm gonna be going in with this color here and this yellow. That's gonna be our transition color. So go ahead and start blending that color in on your crease, working it upwards. I was gonna do my foundation first, but like this look requires a lot of colors. Even though I didn't really have fallouts, I could have gotten away with doing my foundation, but I just prefer doing this eyeshadow first and then I'll do my foundation. Okay, so once we have that, we're gonna go in with the purple, using this purple right here. And if you guys don't really use color in your eyeshadow, just do it. You know, it doesn't hurt to be spontaneous with your makeup. We're just gonna blend that color in, and I'm doing circular motion. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the green, and I'm gonna be using this one right here. It's a bright lime green. I'm actually using 4 different eyeshadow brushes. I did have to add a little bit of concealer so it can just pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with my MAC concealer and just apply it just so the green can go on a lot more vibrant. This is gonna help the green line to just pop a lot more. Do you guys see that? So I'm just gonna blend this one in with the purple. And I'm gonna go back in with the purple and just start blending it in with the green. And now I'm gonna go in with the blue. So I'm using this blue right here, super bright. Do that one just on the front of our eyelid. So you want to blend this blue going upwards. And going in again with the green, I am going to blend that green again. And then going in with the orange, we're going to blend all the colors in together. So I'm going to be using this bright orange here. Alright, so now going in with our purple, we're going to start kind of darkening up the crease area. Alright, so this is what I have. I'm going to go in with my makeup remover wipe and just clean my eye. Alright, so I am basically done with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. This is the final look. I'm gonna get close to the camera so you guys can see the eyeshadow. Let me just blend it one more time because you can never have enough blending. I really like how the orange just brought all the colors in together. This is the eyeshadow. And then my face makeup. My lip combination is the same as always. My Milani Adorable lipstick. And I just added the Dominic Christine lip gloss in the style. In the peach flavor. Not flavor. But I'm hungry. In the peach color. I love this lip gloss. I hope you guys really like this eyeshadow as much as I did. I had so much fun filming it. I just love colorful eyeshadow. You guys can literally wear this to like a music festival or like a concert, or just, you know, if you want to wear it like me. But yeah, like this is a look that I would wear any day, like without being a special occasion. If you guys are wondering, on my eyelashes, I'm using Cocoa lashes and they're in the style Stella. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a video. Stay safe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.